Hello, welcome to today's educational video tutorial on how to transfer XRP from a crypto exchange to your Tangem hardware wallet. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to move XRP from a crypto exchange to your Tangem code hardware wallet within just a few minutes. If today is the first time we're meeting, I'm Blooming Morin, your trusted money coach. Follow me on all social media platforms for more educational content on investing and personal finance. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. Thank you so much for your support, and let's jump right in. How to transfer XRP from a crypto exchange to your Tangem hardware wallet. Today's video tutorial is going to be demonstrated right on my phone. You can follow the same process if you're performing the same transaction on your laptop or your desktop. It follows the same logic. So, step 1, log into your preferred crypto exchange. For example, if you're using Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, KuCoin, you can follow the same process. Personally, I use NDAX. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be demonstrating how to transfer XRP from NDAX to your Tangem hardware wallet. So go ahead and log into your NDAX account. So once you're logged in, go to the second button at the bottom on the left. That is my wallet, and you can see right on the screen I have about 31 Canadian dollars. At the middle of the screen you can see that we have two tabs, that's crypto and fiat. So I'm going to click the fiat tab, and you can see that I have about 29 Canadian dollars. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be buying XRP. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to the home page, that's the first button at the bottom, and I'm going to search for XRP right on top. So you can see the XRP here, just select that. And it brings me to this page. This is more like the advanced setting. So if it looks a little bit different from what you typically see, but it's literally the same process. I'm going to click on buy. So you can see that we have the option to buy, and there is this tab that shows market. So market just means I want to buy it at the current price. But if, for example, now, if you click on the drop down and you wanted to buy at a specific amount, that's where you're going to use the limit. But because of this tutorial, we're just buying XRP, I'm just going to buy using the market rate. So the market button is still selected. You can enter the quantity of XRP, or you can simply enter the dollar amount. So I'm just going to enter $10, or I can just select 100% right here, which means that I'm going to use all the cash in my wallet. Click on buy XRP, order successfully placed. Now I'm going to go back to my home button. So I'm going to click on the back arrow. Click on the back arrow again. Just click on the home button. That's the first button on the left at the bottom. Or you can just X out of this. Now, step 2, we need to transfer this XRP that we just bought to our Tangem hardware wallet. So, step 2, log into your Tangem app. If you don't have a Tangem wallet, I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can get one, and don't forget to use my discount code Blooming to get 10% off your order. So, go ahead and log into Tangem. So next, we're going to click on Manage Token right at the bottom. We're going to search for XRP. So click on the little drop down. That's the first one. You can see that we can send this via 3 main networks. That's the XRP Ledger main. We also have the BEP2 and the BEP20. So usually I do recommend that depending on the network that is available on your crypto exchange, that's the one that I'm going to recommend, and also the cheaper one. So if we just quickly go back into NDAX and click on wallet, right under the crypto tab, click on XRP. you can see the withdraw button. The reason why I'm showing you this, I want to see the different networks that are available for me to send this XRP to my Tangem wallet. And I also want to have an idea of how much it's going to cost me. Okay, so click on withdraw. So right here on index, you can see that the only available network is Ripple. Because if I click here, there is no option for me to select another network. I'm just going to go back to my Tangem wallet and just select the main network. Okay, that's the main network, that's the Ripple network. So I'm going to click on this toggle, I'm going to slide it to the right, and I'm going to save changes. Let's say, for example, on your network you also have the BEP2 or the BEP20. You can use that and you can go with the one with the cheapest fee. Okay, so because on index I only have the option for the main network, which is Ripple, that's why I'm selecting the first option. Okay, so I'm going to save changes. So now I need to scan my Tangem wallet. So I'm going to take my physical hardware wallet, that's my Tangem wallet, and I'm going to place it right behind my phone, just the same way it's being demonstrated on the screen. So go ahead and place your Tangem wallet right behind your phone. So we're going to go ahead and scan it. So go ahead and place your card right behind it, and it's done. So it's been added already. Right at the bottom of my screen, you can see XRP Ledger. So go ahead and click that. So it's important for you to know that for you to send XRP, make sure that you're sending more than 10 XRPs. So because you can see here, to use the XRP Ledger network, you must pay the account reserve, which is 10 XRP. So if you're sending XRP to your Tangem wallet, make sure that it's more than 10 XRPs. If it's not up to that, the transaction is not going to be processed. So click on receive. We're going to be receiving some XRP from Index. Then this is my wallet. Click on copy. Address copy to clipboard. So I'm going to go back to my Index wallet. I'm going to click on the wallet button. That's the second button on the lower left. Click on crypto. So we have about 34 XRP. So click on XRP. Click on withdraw. Now we're going to paste the XRP wallet address that we just copied from our Tangem wallet here. So go ahead and do that. And now I want to send all the XRPs in my wallet. So I'm going to click on 100%. So go ahead and click on 100%. There is no destination tag given that I'm sending this to my personal wallet. But if you were sending this to another crypto exchange, usually the crypto exchange is going to display your destination tag. But given that I'm just sending this to my personal wallet, I don't need a destination tag. So go ahead and click on no tag. We can see that there is a transaction fee of 3 XRP, and this is my available balance 34.93. So click on the confirm button. Now I need to enter my verification code. Click on continue. Now I still need to confirm this withdrawal from my email. So go ahead and log into your email and confirm the withdrawal. Withdrawal confirmation success, so I can close out of this. And now I'm going to wait a few minutes for the transaction to be processed. And while we're still waiting for the XRP to come in, if you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section below and click on the like button and subscribe. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. And even if you have any video suggestions or tutorials that you want me to make on a particular coin or token, let me know also in the comment section below. And don't forget to use my discount code Blooming to get 10% off your Tangem wallet order. Go ahead and log back into your Tangem wallet, and you can see, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that the XRP that we just sent from Index is now in our wallet. So we've come to the end of today's video tutorial. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, I'm Blooming Omorin, your trusted money coach. Bye bye.